Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will be making a horror game. This project is updated version of my last project that I have on my YouTube channel. It's also about horror game. It has, I believe, 28 parts, but it's outdated and discontinued. So this time we will create the project in the newest version of Unreal Engine 5, which is 5.6.0. Here we will cover everything more slowly because I listened to your feedback. Some people have said that it is too fast, that I'm going through things too fast, and this might be true. So this time I will be more mindful of that. And yeah, there should be more cool things this time and a better way of implementation some things. So I think you guys will like this. Also, this time I will accept more of advices. What should next episode be? But I structured first 20-ish episodes in my own way, and then later we can add some add-on to that. For now, let's just download Unreal Engine 5 in case you don't have it. It's just type unrealengine.com on Google and get Unreal Engine. You will need to install Epic Games Launcher, and you can go here, install it. You will see the main page. You can go to library, to Unreal Engine, or you can just press Unreal Engine here. And here also under the Unreal Engine into the library, you can choose what version you want. Currently we are using 5.6.1, but here you can also press this plus and choose whichever version you like. Fun fact, most of the games that you play right now that are Unreal Engine made in Unreal Engine are actually made in Unreal Engine 4, but most of the games have been transferred to Unreal Engine 5, but not all. Also fun fact, Dead by Daylight was run on Unreal Engine 4 for a very long time, even though Unreal Engine 5 was up. Okay, so we will go ahead and we will launch Unreal Engine. And while it's launching, I want to tell you guys that I'm developing a new website. And on this website, you will be able to get resources. So if you go here, you will have resources for various tutorials, which I will fill in as I make this series. And also I will make the project files available here for my Patreons. Okay, so let's wait for Unreal Engine to go up. Okay, so now that the Unreal Engine has opened, we can see we are greeted with a project browser. And here you will see all your projects that you have available. And here you can see we have games, we have film and video live events, we have some architecture, some automotive product design and manufacturing, and we also have simulations. So as you can see, Unreal Engine is not only used for game development, but also for the other things. But in our case, of course, we will use it for the game development. And as you can see, you can get some templates here, but I usually don't like making videos from templates. So I will make a blank project where we will set up the character and everything that you should know as a beginner in the horror game development. But you can also play, of course, with these templates. They recently updated these templates and they're really nice. This is really Unreal Engine 5 specific, I believe. It used to be older when I was making first project series. But yeah, these templates are really nice now. But we will choose blank, of course. Target platform will be desktop. Quality preset, we will put it to maximum. And here you can choose where you want your project to be. I'm okay with it being under the desktop in the games folder, and project name will be horror series for me. And we can hit create. Now it will take some time, so I will just skip it. Okay, so we have our project opened, and this might be too much for you if this is first time opening Unreal Engine for you, but just stick with me and this will be very easy. As you can see here, we have a content browser. We will use this so we can store our folders, our game assets. your model for characters, etc. Here you can see the hierarchy. On the right side, you can see outliner, and this here shows what you have on your screen. So you can see what you have in your level. If we add a cube, we will have a cube here. As you can see, this is part of the landscape, and we can see we have a landscape actors here. We also have details, and these details are for, if you click on, for example, sky atmosphere, you will have different details for it. So you can see details for every actor that you haven't seen. And here you have world settings, and this is of course for the settings of the world you are inside. If you, for example, lose world settings, you can always go to window, and you can find world settings here like this, and now you have it back. I know that a lot of people lose it and then they can't find it, so good tip. Okay, so in the first episode we just want to set up our scene. So I don't like this and I want a new level, so I'll go file and I will go new level, and I will just create basic. And now it will take some little time. That's okay. So now we have a basic level, and I will just save current level as test map or test. Perfect. And now I have it here. So now when I want to open this project, I want this map to open, but by default it's gonna open the landscape map as we saw earlier. So we will go to edit, project settings, and here you can see we can change project thumbnail, everything, project name, project version, but right now we don't want to do this. We want to just go to the map and modes, and as you can see, editor startup map is indeed open world. We want it to be test, and also game default map, we want it to be test. Difference between those two is, as the name says, this is the map that opens when you press play in the editor, and this is the map that opens when you open the game on the desktop once it's compiled. Perfect. So this is all that we wanted, and yeah, this is basic setup done. And in the next video we will set up character controller, and then we can continue with our game and with every horror mechanic that you have on your mind. But first we need to do the boring part. We need to figure out how to do lighting. We need to figure out how to create materials, and how to set up horror mood, and then we can start by adding some assets like a flashlight and etc. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.